Hello, my name's Jason, and today we'll be looking at the Project Explorer, which you'll find in tools such as CANape, vMeasure, or vSignalizer. Launching the tool, by default, you should be prompted to see Select Project. This is the Project Explorer. Here we can see a list of projects we've previously worked on, but we have the option to add existing projects to the list and create new ones. So let's add a project to this list. First, we navigate to the folder with the CANape project, and we then search for the ini file. And by opening, this has now been added to the Explorer and will launch into the tool. So if we go back to launching CANape, we will now see our new project listed. Within the Project Explorer, we can also manage how many projects we are seeing. For example, we don't want to use this one anymore. We can right click and remove it. This does not remove the project from your drive, it simply removes the link from the Project Explorer. An additional feature is to create brand new projects within the Project Explorer. All we have to do is provide a name for the project and a location. We also have a prompt to add a desktop shortcut. This shortcut will create a direct link to the project and will bypass the Project Explorer. Once this project is saved, you will find the desktop shortcut link and a folder which now contains your CANape project files. If we go back and look at the Project Explorer again, we see our new CANape project. I hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching.